Well, got a little bit of a job today. Thank Frig today. Thank a cigarette. But not too bad. Not too bad. A little sodding. A little de-sod of the guy's yard and then put new sod on. So no real tractor in this friggin' sod cutter though. Got it on a deal. It's a little beat up and, you know, used and stuff, but normally we just got to friggin' you know, chooch the sod off where we're digging a trench, but got about 500 or so, 550 feet of yard to chooch. Go grab the fell on, and then it'll be awesome.
He had that quick curve gun. He would tell them when they do it to make sure that there must be lime in the stone or something, to make sure that they watch your inside.
Huh?
I need to get sprayed.
Go pet him.
Yeah, all right, come on.
Go over there, yeah.
That's funny. Friggin' stink kitty over there. Just bees and mean to him terrible. How you doing? Just a couple deliveries today?
This is second load already.
There you go.
There it goes.
Perfect timing. Couldn't have been more splendid.
All right.
Decent. Sweet. Cops on the job site, boys. What's really going on? Probably noise violations. Noise ordinance. Freaking cops are gone. Holy, I was tripping out big time. Yeah, I'm just getting too much pre-rolled in me. Next thing you know, the cops are around the corner.
You have to drive forward a little bit, but dumping? You actually did. I guess sod dumps pretty easy. Oh yeah, perfect. Fucking all in one fell
Where are you going?
Oh shit.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, you're more fucking scared like you thought something's gonna happen to you.
Almost got run over by my own shit.
He's gonna drive us home.
Yeah, I'm gonna friggin' fix the e-brake but not push it down all the way. Right? That's how we do it in Inwood.
Oh shit.
Great. Great.
All the fall.
Yeah, be belligerent now. The rest of the ride home.
Trying to use that blower if you want. Make it happen with a dustpan.
Right on, man. Thank you very much. Yeah, have a good day.